got attacked by the rooster. Hey y'all, so I just got this fit and I'm going to be going to the gym later, but I also have like a food review for you guys. Super cute. This is the back. I just got these. And they are not comfortable. I don't know who lied, but they are not comfortable. Could be because I just got my big toe done, which I never do. But it is not comfortable. They hurt like hell. But anyway, I'll see you guys a little later. Good morning, y'all. Let's make some frozen watermelon with hot honey, and then we're gonna try it. So this one is the frozen one. I froze that overnight. This we're gonna use later for a fruit salad. So the first thing we're gonna do is cut the watermelon, really just the rind. Ooh, it's gonna take me a little bit, so give me a second. Okay, so this is our frozen watermelon cut all up, and I'm gonna attempt to shave this. Maybe I'll use the big, no. So here is the frozen watermelon. Basically, it's like ice cream. And here's my hot honey, Mike's hot honey, just a little bit of something. And we're gonna pour it in our watermelon ice cream. Oops, it's already leaking out. That's good. Ooh, that's hot. Watch out now. So I already tasted this. So let's just add some hot honey to it. Okay, that seems like a lot that I just did, but whatever. And we're gonna taste it. Okay, taste test. Let's do it. Now, I don't eat a lot of hot stuff, so. Unfortunately, this is mid. I don't know if I need to mix it. I don't like this. But the watermelon is delicious. I would take out the hot honey and just have the watermelon honey. That bite was kind of good. I don't know. I'm on the fence now. I don't know. Try it for yourself. Let me know.
Okay, so before I get to my next review, I wanted to take my Press Juicery probiotic shot. It has apple, red cabbage, lemon, ginger, and cultures in it. I love to take these in the middle of the day just to reset my gut. But my goodness, they are strong. Hey y'all, so today I wanted to try Rihanna's famous nuggets and caviar. Saw a lot of people trying it a while ago, so now it's my turn. So I got Wendy's nuggets, not spicy, regular. Okay, so we got our nugget, and I'll take a little bit, and let's try it. I don't hate it. Very fishy. The first bite, I put too much caviar on it. It's very fishy. Like I said, not bad. I just would put just a little bit. Just a little bit. Ooh. That's strong. Okay. It's an acquired taste. That's for sure. Try it. Let me know how you like it down in the comments, okay? Love you. Bye.
Come through, 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 come through. Girl, you know we got things to do, things to do. Come through, come through, come through, come through, come through.
Baby boy, you stay on my mind, fulfill my fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me how you feel.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You don't know the love is real.
Baby boy, not a day goes by without my fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me what's the deal.
I think about you all the time. I see you.
Okay, y'all, so remember I told you those On shoes were hurting my feet, but I thought maybe it was because I got my big toe done. So now I am getting it shaved down, the acrylic, because I actually do think that's what the issue is, and so did the nail tech. They thought it was that too, so hopefully that works.
She a baddie, she showing her panty. She shaking like jelly. 100 bands of Chanel, but I'm still shaking ass in the deli. With my bitch getting dirty. He like him already. He wants the wop, but I just want the fatty. And I'm back in his partner, I'm petty. Call me that B while he eating my honey. You know niggas love bitches with money.
Leave me alone. I got attacked by the rooster. Did you see him attack my feet? Yeah. Oh my God. Sit down.
Thank you.
She a baddie, she showing her panty. She shaking like jelly. 100 bands of Chanel, but I'm still shaking ass in a deli. With my bitch getting daddy. He like him already. He want the wop, but I just want the fatty. And I'm back in his partner, I'm petty. Feeling the smooch and I'm showing my Gucci. PJs to Emilio Pucci. I look like bitches like shout out to Lucy. If she bad, then I let her seduce me. I'm the shit, I'm that bitch, I'm his poopy. Juice in my cup got me feeling real loopy. 40-inch middle parted. He got all my pics hard.